Hey guys, what's going on? This is Castro here at YS Stocks and Options. Um, Good afternoon, good morning, greetings to everyone. Wanted to show you guys a little tool that I use when it comes to trading, when it comes to risk management. I told my guys that this month, right, we're going to talk about risk management for the month of August and ensuring that you take a proactive approach to trading or investing is very, very key in order for you to ensure that you're successful, right? So the tool that I created is called the YS Options Planning Tool. And this tool here allows me to know what stock I'm getting into, why I'm getting into it, where exactly I want to take, where I want to go buy it at, where I want to take profits. If my trade doesn't go according to what I'm expecting it to do, where I'm going to stop the bleeding, as you can see, a stop zone or of my premium. What strategy am I going to use, right? Am I going to use calls, puts, put debit spreads, put credit spreads, so on and so forth? And how much am I paying for it, which outlines here in the premium, number of contracts that I'm buying, and the price, right, that I'm paying for those particular contracts, price I sold them for, and lastly, how much money did I make for whatever I sold them for, right? Very simple, simple little document again. Three trades that I'm in right now: Lemonade, the Qs, and also I'm actually going to be getting into Apple this upcoming week. So we have several strategies that we use, right? We use YS Fibonacci strategy, we call it. We use technical analysis, right? We use unusual options activity and so on and so forth. But these two in particular, we're using this strategy here, the Fib strategy, as we call it. I'm currently in this trade, right? This is the price that I purchased it around. I usually like to use my support and resistance areas when I'm actually getting into a particular trade. And my profit zones are usually at minimum 30%, right? So if I'm making about 30% of my initial base investment, I'm good with that because I am interested in being very consistent in profits rather than trying to hit a home run and make it 70, 80%. So 30% is usually what we work for to attain whenever we're talking about profit zones. My stop zone is usually 50%. So if I'm losing 50% of my initial trade, I like to get out, right? Because at the end of the day, we like to protect capital, which is one of our number one reasons when it comes to investing. You want to protect capital. You don't want to just blow it off on one trade. So 50% is a little bit high, right? But that's my risk tolerance, and I like 50%. So you can adjust that as you like, right? Um, for option strategy for Lemonade in particular, I bought this one on Friday, and I bought the 20 calls. Not sure why that's not there. So I bought the $20 calls, right? Of Lemonade. And yeah, 20 calls. I don't know why I put Lemonade. So yeah, bought the 20 calls expiring on the 12th of August, 2022. All right. Cost me $1.05 for each one of the contracts. I bought 20 of them. I bought 50 originally, but I sold 30 because I did fairly well on it. I day traded it. But I have 20 left and it cost me $2,100. So let's say I sold it for $4,000, right? I got a little formula here. If I put it for 4 grand, my profits would be 1,900, right? The price sold minus the total price that I purchased it for, it gives me the difference, which is my profits. And look at here on the bottom, it calculates the aggregate for your entire sheet or the positions that you're in, right? So I haven't sold this one yet. I just want to show you guys that cool little thing that you can put different formulas in here, and you can make this document to whatever you want it to be, right? I have some formulas here that I put myself, but we tell our guys, trick out, the spreadsheet is just a baseline, so you can actually take and make it into your own. So I want to show you guys the lemonade play that I got into, right? So I got into lemonade, like I said. So we're gonna go here to let's go to I guess we'll go to Trading View. I was gonna go to Finbit so you guys can see it, but I like Trading View as well, right? Trading View is actually one of the better platforms that I like to utilize whenever I'm doing chart analysis. So let's go to Trading View. Again, but paying attention, what I'm going to show you here in Trading View, I'm going to show you buy zone, where exactly I bought this one and why did I buy there, right? I've been trading Lemonade for like almost 6, 7 months. And, I've had like a 100% accuracy on Lemonade time after time after time. And I'll show you some of the, some of the success stories that we have with Lemonade in particular within the community and investment community. So let's go to Lemonade. Bam, this is Lemonade here. The stock, this is the, what you're going to see here is the daily chart, right? A lot of stuff going on. So this is Lemonade, right? The stock, I'm going to delete some things so you can see it a little bit better. That, delete that, delete this one. So Lemon in particular, I bought this on Friday, but because it reports earnings on the 9th of August. Usually does very well when it comes to earnings. Another thing, it just bought this company called, I want to believe, Metro Mile, I believe it's called. Recently bought it this past week. And I like the fact that Lemonade is actually doing good things into heading into earnings. So on the technicals itself, right? I bought 50 contracts of Lemonade, like I mentioned. And what I loved about it is that it hit $18.09, right? As you guys can see here, Lemonade has support. I'm going to draw the support area here so we all can see it. Boom. Right. Lemonade has a lot of support, ladies and gentlemen, around $18.69, right? Look at that. Boom, right here. It went it went above 1869, right? Traded ball here, came down lower, traded there, here. If we see here, this is accumulation. It has some distribution here, declined, then accumulated right around that area. So that shows a lot of support around 1869, 1870 area. It advanced, distributed a little bit, declined right back again to 1869, 1870 area. And look what happened on Friday, right? What I did on Friday, launched stuff here. On Friday, I bought it around 1819. I bought 50 contracts. And it went all the way as high as 1880, 84, right? So when I saw this, right, it went up like 60 something cents, 70 cents. I quickly got out. Sold 30 of my positions and I just kept 20, right? Just kept 20 after I made some nice profits on it. So what am I seeing with Lemonade? Well, we know one thing. We already established that it has support here. If you know it has support here. And the market rally on Friday and Lemonade was just one of those companies that didn't rally with the market. Not exactly sure why, right? The beta, it's not one. I believe it's lower than one, so it should have rallied with the market. But we know a few things. We know that it has resistance right all the way here, resistance here, and we also know it has resistance right about here, right? Another resistance area, 21. Let's go to 2140 roughly. Hands. We're gonna color this purple. Right? So we know it has resistance right here, 2140. So what does that mean, right? Not only there, look at this. Also has resistance right here. Bam. $20.22. Now you asking Casher, what does that mean, right? So for me, as I look into my positions in it, I'm looking to take profits as soon as possible, right? It has earnings. What exactly it's going to do at earnings, I have no clue, right? It beat earnings before, right? That is great, amazing, right? But I don't know what it's going to do again, right? So my profit zone, right? Being that I bought it on Friday, I bought it at like 18, less than 1820. I'm looking to take profits any in the echelons of 1950 to $20, right? To $20 is some change, right? Again, 1950, I'm looking to take profits to 20 bucks. Very easy area here. This is a channel that I like, right? Again, because it has nice support at 1870, 1869, has a little resistance at $20.21, and it has earnings, right? So that's why I got into this particular trade. Again, I've been trading for quite some time. I like what I saw here, sitting at key support level and heading into earnings. It could possibly give it a little bump into that $20 area in which I can make, a few more grand. Right? So that's for Lemonade, right? Again, Lemonade, you guys see it here. I bought it around $18 and 18.75, right? Right at that support area. And profit zone, right? I'm trying to make 30%. I made about 56% on Friday, which was great, right? If the trade goes against me, I'm taking a loss at 50% of $2,100. And this is what I purchased, 20 calls expiring on the 12th of August. And my premium was $1.05, right? And I only have 20 left. So I will keep you posted on this particular trade and also my other trades, and also the Apple trade, right? Definitely going to be getting into Apple, right? And I'm going to buy the 155, 150 put debit spread expiring on the 16th of September. And I'll let you know exactly why I'm buying that one, right? Saw the chart, know what's going on. The Fed actually convenes and meets in September, right? Seeing what I'm seeing in the market right now, I think we're going to go a little bit lower. So that's why Apple is one of the particular stocks that I have on my radar. But I'll keep you posted on this one. I did a video on the Qs, right? You can actually see it on the channel. Let me know what you guys think, and I will keep you posted on those put debit spreads on the Qs as well, right? We always say always practice logical emotions, but more importantly, guys, risk management, be safe, and we will see you guys at the finish line. Peace and be blessed.